then load, add, dead load, live load, load, add, sulfate, then flow loads. As we have already calculated, it is something around minus 8.65. I hope so. We'll check it. Y range should be from 3 to 9. Add flow load. Oops, sorry. This should be this dead load. I have taken the total load. It should not be like this. It should be only that flow load. Change. Add live load, flow load. 3 or 2.5. 3. Y range is 3.3 to 9. See, this particular flow load is acting on first, second and third. Live load similarly, first, second and third. See in the front view. See the front view. You'll have a good idea. Yeah, then the leftover load is wall loads. Am I right now? Yeah, add number load. So wall load, if it is 230 thick and if the height is something around 2.5 meter, you'll be getting minus 12 kilonewtons. You can check this calculation. I have assumed 230 wall and 2.5 meter height comes around this value. Add, and if height is only 1.2 meter, it comes around 6. Add, close. Why I have taken wall height as 1.2 meter? You'll see where I'm going to apply these things. Otherwise I have to go to the top view. You have to press Ctrl for multiple selections. Now check out the 3D of my columns effect. I should not apply the load to the columns. Then what can I do? Select beams parallel to Y. Select by inverse beam selection. Now only the beams are there. View, selected objects only. Top view. Use Ctrl for multiple selections. Now there is again a mistake. I don't want this top floor. Actually the wall load 2.5 meter height walls will be coming for between ground to first and first to second and first to third. Above the third floor it won't be 2.5 meter. It will be a parapet wall. Parapet wall generally will be of height 1.2 meter. So this roof should not come into picture here. Selection. I think we have the deselection options. Just let me try this. No, it's not getting deselected. Okay. I will be reselecting all the things. Here, select all. View, selected objects only. Yes, now I'm able to see only the 3 floors. No. Yeah, you can check in the 3D. Yes, this is what I want. Assign. No, sorry. Actually, I told you that walls 230 mm thick is there on all the beams. So after selecting these floors, then do like this. Assign. Yeah, this is what we have been discussing previously. Now you can see the entire structure, and parapet wall will be there on the circumference only, and on the roof. So that thing, just select it like this. Use selected objects, hand selection method. You can drag it down. These are the loads already there. These are the floor load. The floor load coming from that particular beam. We'll see what it is. Select this. Oh, I pressed escape. Select it. Load. Live load. Sorry. Dead load. Assign to selected beams. Now let us see the entire structure. Actually, blue is the one which we are highlighting. Self-it, you can see all the elements, blue line. Close. Yes, save. Auto save option is there inside. This is 2007. It will save for every 10 minutes. That option is there. You can set it to whatever time you want. So this is the total loads that we have taken for our design. That's it. Then the load combination. Add 1.5